Happy Friday everybody, it's the one and only Hibs Happy Hour. This week we are going to do a corn and oil, aka corning oil. Something a little bit different but very easy once you've got the two core ingredients. Rum, it's better with an aged or golden rum. In this case we're going to use the Angostura Caribbean rum, and then we're going to use something which is new to the Hib household, which is the Falernum, which is a rum liqueur, which is made of sugar syrup, spices and also lime. This has been inspired by our co-YouTubers Cocktails Under Quarantine, which is a really fantastic show. Really check out their show, which is absolutely fabulous and really has been very inspiring. Corn and oil, and this is the recipe in the Diffords guide. Really good Bible for cocktails. It's absolutely fantastic, which is from my old colleagues at Nestle. It was a leaving present. Really good. 2 shots of the golden rum, half a shot of the Falernum liqueur, then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Either an old-fashioned glass or a tumbler. The ice cubes we're going to use are the sphere ones. A really good company to buy your exclusive liqueur and spirits from. Distillers Direct, really good. You can get some really good offers on. Absolutely fantastic, really good company. Tremendous little samples as well from them. Cherry gin from a unique company. The Campari Fireball exclusive gin there as well. Really good, so thank you. So first of all, get your cocktail shaker with crushed ice, 2 shots of the rum, and then half a shot of the Falernum. And then for my Angostura bitters, I have a really good Tree Travelers set here. So a variety of orange bitters, decanter bitters, celery bitters, aromatic bitters, Criolla bitters. We're going to put a couple of dashes of the aromatic bitters in here. What you can do is you can actually stir it. Instead of shaking, you can stir this. Lots of ice, lots of stirring. So then to serve this, pour this into the old-fashioned glass. Just nice and gently over the top. We've already crushed ice. Here we have it. The corn and oil. Wow, that is absolutely superb. Really nice. Very different as well. It's not something I've ever tried before. Really looking forward to experimenting with the Falernum, which is really unique. Trying some tickies in the future. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please check out all the other videos that I have. Also, make sure you subscribe. Great to come out of lockdown. Great to get a haircut, the Tinder trim and the grind the grin. Keep safe.